Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Megha Setu, consultant radiologist and managing partner at New Designat Scans, Kaimkulam, Charmud and Haripad. So this is January 2024, which is also the Thyroid Awareness Month, which raises our awareness for the various thyroid related disorders and various types of thyroid cancers. So what is thyroid gland? Most of the patients come here for the thyroid gland studies and ultrasound. So what is it? It is nothing but an endocrine organ which is seen in the front of a neck. It is a butterfly or an egg-shaped organ. What do you mean by endocrine organ? An organ which produces various types of hormones which goes into our bloodstream and affects the various functions of our body like T3 and T4. So why do we do a thyroid gland ultrasound? Thyroid gland ultrasound is done to rule out various pathologies like the neoplasms. Neoplasms means any type of tumor. A tumor can be either a cancerous type of tumor or it can be a benign type, that is a harmless type of a tumor. Secondly, it is also used to know various type of inflammatory thyroid disorders like Graves' disease, Hashimoto's disease, Riddle's thyroiditis. All these things can be differentiated on ultrasound. And finally, the thyroid cancer. Whenever we start with the thyroid gland ultrasound, our aim is to know what pathology that gland is having, whether actually some pathology is there or not. We look for the size of the thyroid gland to look whether it is enlarged in size or it is reduced, that is atrophic. If it is enlarged in size, what is the cause of the enlargement of the thyroid gland? Whether it is because of diffuse changes in the thyroid gland like thyroiditis, or it is because of the presence of the nodules like we see in multinodular goiter. Now, whenever we are seeing a diffusely enlarged thyroid gland with altered echo pattern and increased vascularity, that is increased blood supply to the thyroid gland, it is usually thyroiditis. Secondly, when we are seeing a nodule, what type of nodule it is, whether it is a benign nodule, that is no need to worry about that nodule, or it is an intermediate nodule in which you need a follow-up NFNAC, or whether it is cancerous in nature. For this, we have divided the nodules on the basis of TI-RADS, the Thyroid Imaging Reporting and the Data System, that is TI-RADS, which has been developed by American College of Radiology ASR in 2017. It divides the nodules of the thyroid gland into 5 levels, that is TI-RADS 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which tells us about the risk of the malignancy. So the TI-RADS 1 type of nodule has the least risk of malignancy, almost around 0.1% risk, and TI-RADS 5 type of nodules have 35% risk of malignancy. Nodules which are smaller than 5 mm and which are TI-RADS 5 type of nodules just need a 6 monthly follow-up. No need of any FNAC in such cases. A cutoff for thyroid nodule FNAC is almost from 1 cm to 2.5 cm so that we can get a proper tissue for the histopathological evaluation. TI-RADS 1 type are benign, which do not need any FNAC. TI-RADS 2 type are also not suspicious nodules. These also do not require any FNAC. TI-RADS 3 type of nodules are suspicious nodules and they require FNAC if they are more than 2.5 cm. However, if they are less than 1.5 cm, they just need a follow-up. TI-RADS 4 type of nodules are actually moderately suspicious nodules and they require FNAC if they are more than 1.5 cm. Whereas TI-RADS 5 are highly suspicious of malignancy or cancer and they need an FNAC even if they are more than 1 cm. Last but not the least, I would like to tell everyone, if any person feels it's suspicious anything about the thyroid gland, please do get it checked because ultrasound is the most easiest way of getting your thyroid gland checked. Secondly, if you find any nodule in your thyroid gland and see what is the TI-RADS level, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Suppose it is 1 or 2, you don't need to worry about it, you just need to follow up. Get a 6 monthly follow-up done to just look for whether the size is increasing or decreasing or whether any changes are happening in that particular nodule. Suppose it is TI-RADS 3 type of nodule, you get an FNAC done and as it is mildly suspicious of malignancy, get an FNAC done and have a follow-up. And 4 and 5 also you get an FNAC done and go for accordingly and go for the treatment. I wish all of you a very happy Thyroid Awareness Month. Do be aware of your thyroid gland because it is one of the most important endocrine organs of your body. Thank you.